Well, hello, awesome people. I am Marsha Lynn Hudson, your social media and digital strategist, and welcome to my Yes to Success YouTube channel. On this channel, you will get tips and tools and strategies and best practices to build and brand and grow your business. And if that's something you're looking for, be sure and give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell below, and every time we do a video, you will get notified. So today I want to talk about how can you grow your email list, and if you grow your email list, how do you grow your customer base? Well, if that's something you're interested in, keep watching. So hello guys, today I want to talk about how to grow your email list and how to grow your customer base. So whenever I teach a training video here on YouTube or on my podcast show, I have a podcast show, so be sure and check that out. Shout out to the podcast show. But anyway, whenever I talk about anything online, it's something that I've experienced, something I've gone through, something I've failed at, something I've excelled at. So I want to talk about how I've been growing my email list, which in turn grows my customer base. So number one, you want to make sure you have an email provider, and there are a few email providers that pretty much do the same things, where you can put your email list in your provider, you can send out newsletters to a big list of people. So you definitely need an email provider such as Constant Contact or ConvertKit or MailChimp or some email provider to help you get all your names, put all your names in. And in these provider lists, you can put your names in lists. I might have a list of real estate professionals, or a list of business owners, or a list of opt-ins. And opt-ins are people who opted in to my email list. So you can put lists together in your service provider, so in case you want to send out an email to a certain list but not to everybody. So the first thing is to go to Google, check out your service providers, and decide which one is best for you. Then number two, you want to start building your subscriber list. And sometimes people say, well, Marsha, I don't have any subscribers, and that's okay. You think of family and friends and past clients, people from maybe your Gmail list. You want to compile a good list, whether you have 25 or 100 or 200, and you want to start building that email list of subscribers, because the email is your gold mine. You can make 50 cents to $1 off of every person that's in your email list. And when you send out an email, that's what you make for yourself, and they are worth 50 cents to $1. You can make a couple $100 every month. So you want to start building that list. And how do you do that? That's where we talk about opt-ins. Now, some people call it a freebie, a freemium, an opt-in, a lead magnet. So there are many names for it, but whatever you call it, it is a piece of valuable information. It doesn't need to be long. It's a quick win. It could be 5 ways to learn something, but it's a piece of valuable information. You may have made a PDF or whatever, and you give it away for free in exchange for people's email. You can make a lead magnet as a course. You can have a 3-day free course, and when they sign up for the course, you get their email. And in your 3-day free course, each day you send them a little something that works toward their goal. You can do a video series. You can make a free 2 to 3 short video series, and when people sign up for it, you get their email. And make sure that video series is a quick win or something that's very valuable. So the best way to build an email list of subscribers is to create a lead magnet, an opt-in, a freemium, whatever you like to call it. I create mine from Canva, CANVA.com. And there is a free version. I have a paid version, but the free version is great. I really like Canva. You can create your lead magnets there. You can create so much stuff from Canva. So that's how you can create that lead magnet. Then you want to put it onto your website. So if you build your own website, you put your lead magnet there. If you have someone who developed it, you tell them to put your lead magnet onto your website. So every time people go to your website, they'll see your lead magnet or your freebie, download it, you get their email. That is the best way to grow your list. So the next thing is, now that you're growing your list, you want to make sure you're sending out great newsletters. They don't have to be long, and they just need to be valuable. So now these people have given you their email, so they're expecting some good emails from you. Now if you're selling, then they may unsubscribe. But if you're sending an email maybe once a week or twice a month, and that email has value in it with tips or strategies or tools or a video, a training video in the email, then they look forward to opening your email. So you create a great subject for your email, a great opener, a great subject line, a great title, and people look forward to opening your emails because they know you're sending value on a monthly basis. Now, of course, you can showcase your products sometimes in your email, but you don't want to just be a salesperson. You want to be a person who gives value. You answer questions, you solve problems, you end people's struggles through your content. And the last thing in your newsletter, you want to put a call to action. So what does that do? That helps to build your other sites. You can tell people to follow you on Facebook or follow you on Instagram or check out your YouTube channel or your podcast. So in your newsletter, you're keeping yourself on top of mind of all of these people that you're sending this information to, plus you're sending them to your other sites. And lastly, now that you've started your email campaign, you're growing your email month after month with your lead magnet, you're sending newsletters full of value. Now you can tell people about your products and your services and showcase those and turn these subscribers into customers, paying customers. That's how it works, guys. So building an email list is so important for us as entrepreneurs. We wear many hats. The email list is your gold mine, and everybody on your list is worth 50 cents to $1. That's research. Research shows that. So whenever you send out a newsletter, and it's a great newsletter, you're going to get something back from it, whether you're going to get a follower on your social side or a customer to buy something or someone to maybe to call you for a consultation, but it's so valuable. So you definitely want to add email marketing to your marketing mix. Now I have a course called How to Grow Your Email List Month After Month, because it's something that I've been doing every month. My lead magnet brings in new customers. If you're interested in finding more information about that course, How to Grow Your Email List Month After Month, then head over to my site, MarshaLynHudson.com, and you can find out more information on that course. So guys, until next time, I'm Marsha Lynn Hudson, your social media and digital strategist. Join me in saying yes to branding success.